how that piece is kind of wiggling? I don't know if you can see that. But you can see it opening up, opening and closing. So that's when you know you've cut enough. You don't want to cut any more than that because then it might break off on you. And just like that, it's off of there. See? You got full control. You could do this with big pieces, small pieces. See how I got it rocking back and forth? It's off of there. And now you can let it go. You know, it'll sit right there in that shelf. And that's why they call it a bypass. The two cuts got to pass each other. And depending on how much weight, how much length you got on it, you want to give yourself a decent amount of holding wood in between. Now we're going to send this off in this pile. Just like that.